So I've seen a lot of creators use the bubble in the window of their face with their screen captured on the front, and I wanted to learn how to do that. And for a long time what I did is I used a software called Loom, but Loom recently has become more and more difficult to use if you want to use it for free, because now they only allow for 25 videos total before you have to pay. You're only allowed up to 5-minute videos, otherwise you have to pay. And you can't even download the videos from their website. So it became basically unusable for me. So I wanted to find another solution that I could use for doing that kind of video. If I wanted to capture my screen and if I wanted to have my face there in the screen while I was explaining something, giving a tutorial, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna give you a way to do this if you have a Mac that you can do it for free, and it's actually pretty simple. The first thing that I'm gonna do, so I'm actually already recording my screen here, so I'm gonna let you see my screen and what I'm looking at here. But what you can do is there's a keyboard shortcut, and if you hit Command-Shift-5, then it'll open it up. And this is just kind of your dashboard for screen capture. So the typical ones is you'll take a screenshot, just a still image, and that's one of these 3 options on the left, but you're not gonna see it here because I'm already recording the screen, but in the middle you have 3 similar options. And you can choose to either capture a video of the entire screen, which is what I'm doing right now. You can capture it of the selected window, so right now I'm in Final Cut Pro, so you would just see Final Cut Pro even if I went to another window. And then the third option is you can capture a selected portion. So just like with the photo here, if I wanted to capture only the left side for the video, then I could do that so that I can do whatever else I need to on the right side. So that's the initial stuff, but then under the options, you're not gonna see it here, but you would also have the option there if you want to not record audio. So maybe you just wanna record the screen but not the audio. You can choose that, and you'll see some other options here as well that you can mess around with. The other thing I realized is I didn't know how to stop it. So there's 2 options. One is up in the top bar, you'll see one right here. You can click the stop button right there, and that'll allow you to stop the recording. The other one is if you hit Command-Control-Escape, then it'll also stop the recording right there, okay? I'm not gonna do that because I wanna show you one other thing. So the other thing is maybe you want your face like a little bubble in the screen. Now, it's not as pretty looking as some of the others, but if you don't wanna have like a whole nother camera set up and you wanna just actually have it recording you from the laptop or the computer, then this is a simple way to do that, okay? So you're gonna just open up your applications, and then you can go to QuickTime Player, and all Macs should already have it built in. And you can actually just close down this page because you don't need whatever page pops up. All you need is up here, you're gonna see File, and under File, you have 3 different options: new movie recording, audio recording, screen recording. We're already doing the screen recording. We're recording the screen so you can see what's happening right here. But then there's the new movie recording. So if you hit Option-Command-N or click this button, then it will allow you to start recording from the webcam as well, okay? So from there, you can then shrink this into a smaller box. Let's say we put it down here in the bottom left corner. And then what you can even do is go over to the view and you can click float on top. And now, even if I go to another screen, then it stays there with me, so that now as I'm going to these other screens, I can just look at the camera and address the camera. So again, this is nice if you don't want to have like a 2-camera setup where you're using your laptop, doing something here, and you're doing something over here on your phone. You could simply just click this to record from the webcam, and you're already recording the screen while you go. So then you can put that together in a video that would look something like this. Hey, my name is Joey, and I'm just recording something here for my YouTube channel. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any tips or tricks for like capturing the screen or recording your face, I would love to hear them in the comments. Always helpful to have some of those types of tips for video creation.